Hello learners, happy winters and welcome back to our mini series on Minister of Connection, that is Preposition. Today we will learn about Preposition of Transportation. Preposition of Transportation tells us about how a person is traveling or by what means a person goes from one place to another. So let's get started. Today's first preposition is by. By shows the means of transportation. When I say we go by train, here I mean the means of transportation is train. Similarly, when I say they arrive by plane, I mean here the means of transportation is plane. You have to note here that we will not use any articles like a, an or the when we will use by in our sentence. We will just say by car, by boat and by bus. Our next set of preposition is in and on. Here we need to understand the difference of their uses. I sit in a car. Here in is used for small transports containing few people like car, taxi or van. Similarly, when I say we are in a taxi, I am indicating that we are traveling in a small vehicle. On the other hand, is used for large transports containing many people like bus, train, plane, ship or open vehicles like bike, scooty or trucks. So when I say he is on the bus, I am indicating that he is on a big vehicle containing many people. Our next set of preposition is get on and get off. Both these prepositions are used for large transports. Get on is generally used for large vehicles like get on a bus or get on a train. And get off is used as get off a plane or get off a train. Similarly, when I say I get on the bus at 7 a.m., I'm showing that I'm getting into a large transport. And if I say we get off the train at a wrong station, here also I'm indicating the large transport or vehicle. Another set of preposition is get into and get out. Both these prepositions are used for small transports. So when I say she got into the car quickly, I am indicating the small transport she is using. Or if I say he got out of the taxi, here also I am showing the small transport or vehicle. Our next set of preposition is path movement with vehicles. These prepositions show the area or the place where the vehicles are moving. The first preposition is through. It indicates the area where the vehicle is moving. When I say we drove through the city, it is indicating that we are moving inside a city. Similarly, across indicates the movement from one side to the other. When I say he rode across the bridge, I indicate that he rode his vehicle from one side of the bridge to the other. The next path movement preposition is along. Along indicates following a road or path. When I say they walked along the river, I indicate that they were following a particular path. Today's last but not the least preposition is over. Over indicates the movement above something. When I say the plane flew over the mountains, I indicate that the plane flew above the mountains. Check our progress. There will be some questions on your screen and we will solve them together. She is dash the car. She is in the car. They are going to school dash bus. They are going to school by bus. I got dash the train. I got on the train. He got dash off the taxi. He got out of the taxi. The plane flew dash the city. The plane flew over the city. You will get free PDF notes on this class in the description box below. I hope you found this video helpful. Do like, share and comment to grow my channel, and to get more real English learning tips, subscribe.